Maharaj Janananda, the winds of change blow across our lands. Foreign powers have set their eyes upon Bharatvarsha, our motherland. They come not as friends but with ambitions to conquer and divide us.
Ha Chanakya, you overestimate their strength. Magadha is mighty. Let them come. We have nothing to fear. My treasury is full and my armies are vast.
Maharaj, the strength of Magadha will alone not suffice. We must unite the fractured kingdoms of Bharat. Only a united Bharat can stand tall against these invaders.
You speak of unity, but I don't see any danger that needs such extreme actions. These kingdoms, what are they but bickering weak states? They have nothing to offer us.
If we remain divided, we shall fall one by one until there is nothing left. Foreign invaders prey upon division. We must act now, Maharaj, for the future of Bharatvarsha.
Enough, Chanakya. I will not have you spreading fear in my court. Magadha stands strong, and I, as its king, need no lectures on how to rule.
Very well, Maharaj. But remember, a wise king heeds the counsel of those who foresee danger. I have spoken my duty to this land. Dhanananda's selfishness and pride have made him deaf to the suffering of our people and the dangers our land faces. I cannot stay by his side any longer. If he cannot protect Bharat, then I must find someone who can. Someone strong and true to lead our nation to greatness.
In a small village on the outskirts of Magadha, tension fills the air as soldiers mistreat the villagers. But young Chandragupta steps forward determined and unafraid, standing up to protect his people from injustice.
Enough! These people deserve respect, not cruelty. Leave them be or face me.
Young man, I saw how fearlessly you stood against those soldiers. Not many would dare to do so. What drives you?
I cannot stand to see the weak being trampled upon. These tyrants think they can do as they please, but they are wrong. I will not bow to injustice.
Your words reveal a heart fierce and noble, Chandragupta. Bharat needs someone with such fire to get rid of its oppressors.
And who are you, stranger, to speak of Bharat's needs?
I am but a humble teacher, yet I see great potential in you. With guidance, discipline, and strategy, you could become the leader this land desperately needs.
You think I could bring justice to Bharat? But I am young and unknown. How can I face the might of kings?
Do not underestimate yourself. With my guidance and your courage, we can challenge tyranny and bring a new dawn to this land. What do you say, Chandragupta? Will you walk this path with me?
Yes, Guru. I am ready to fight for justice.
Chandragupta, today we face Dhanananda and his empire, a kingdom built on oppression and greed. This is more than a battle. It is a rebellion for justice and freedom. Are you prepared to end his tyranny?
Yes, Guru. The Nandas have ruled with cruelty for too long. Today, I fight not only to defeat Dhanananda, but to restore hope to the people of Magadha. I will not falter.
My lord, Dhanananda's forces are formidable and they guard the kingdom fiercely, but our soldiers are ready, awaiting only your command.
Our path is difficult, but we fight for a kingdom free of fear and suffering. We may be outnumbered, but our resolve is stronger than his armies. Today we end Dhanananda's reign and Magadha shall be free.
दुश्मन पे प्रहार है चंद्रगुप्त, शस्त्र जैसी धार है चंद्रगुप्त, वीर भी है धीर भी वंश का आधार है, नीतिवान बुद्धिमान सूर्य जैसा शौर्य है, ये चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य है, ये चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य है।
Guru, we have done it. The tyrants are defeated and the people are free.
Yes, Chandragupta. Today, Bharat is one step closer to unity.
I understand now, Guru. True strength lies in unity, in standing together as one. Today, we are not divided kingdoms, but one Bharat.
Let this victory be a reminder to all. When we are united, no force can conquer us. Remember, the true power of Bharat lies in its unity. Together we rise, divided we fall. Let us honor this land and stand as one to build a future of peace, strength, and justice.